Hello students, I am going to explain you History chapter 2 from traders to rulers. You already know about Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese landed in Calicut in 1498. Because our Indian wealth and spices always attracted European traders. These led to immense competition among the European companies, which further resulted in wars and conflicts. The English East Indian Company was a private group of company cooperated or corporation in 1598. In 1600 क्वीन एलिजाबेथ इंग्लैंड की महारानी, जिन्होंने यह चार्टर एक्ट पास किया कि इंग्लैंड से इंग्लिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी को ही एक अधिकार होगा कि वो भारत जाकर व्यापार कर सके. These mean that no other trading groups in England could compete with the East India Company. With the help of this charter, the company could venture across the seas, looking for new lands from where it could buy goods at cheap price. Mughal Emperor Jahangir, a diplomatic mission, sent Sir Thomas Roy to his court for seeking permission to build trading post in Surat. East India Company established its first factory in Surat after obtaining Jahangir's permission, and afterwards soon they established their factories in Masulipatnam, Agra, Ahmedabad, Madras, Patna and Balasore. In 1662, the company got the island of Bombay from King Charles II. King Charles ने ब्रिटिशर्स ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी को गिफ्ट में बॉम्बे आइलैंड गिफ्ट में दिया. वहाँ पर ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ने अपनी फैक्ट्रीज और सेटलमेंट स्टार्ट किया बनाना. द कंपनी फोर्टिफाइड सेटलमेंट ऑफ बॉम्बे, मद्रास एंड कलकत्ता. The traders lived inside their fort. The objective behind these was safety, security, and to maintain a monopoly. For this, they used force against the Indian rulers and their foreign rivals. Indian exports were increasing, and therefore the Indian rulers encouraged the East India Company's factories in India. Thank you.